Hey guys,
And then you just put the meat inside.
we are at the Mexican restaurant here
Yes.
in Whistler Village.
Enchiladas is okay. Enchiladas.
And because
depends
of
on what you
Where
want
Are You
to
Maria,
inside.
we are gonna have some Mexican
Chicken,
food.
beef or whatever.
Wonder Boy Jeremy,
It has a little
Sugar Free
taco,
Traveler,
cream and cheese. And this round
and yours truly,
Yeah.
Doug P Vlogs. We're gonna have some Mexican food.
with cheese.
Whistler's #1 Mexican restaurant. So come right back and we'll see what it's like. So what are we gonna eat?
Right, we could get
There's a lot
that
of
chile for all of us.
no, they don't give giant ones here. There's a lot of stuff on this menu. What are we gonna eat?
Okay, yo quiero un aguachile en vez de las fajitas.
I don't know what we're gonna eat.
Okay?
You want an aguachile?
Yeah, aguachile.
But hopefully we find some really good. Look at these margaritas.
Oh yeah. Yes, did you pass those ones down?
It's margarita time in Whistler.
Here we are. Do we have any questions about the menu?
Whistler margarita.
Y nuestro-
Margaritas, right over here. You got a picture of Douglas, Maria. It is. I guess I'm already hammered with the vodka, so I'm still gonna drink the margarita, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Whoa! How's the taste? Good?
Ah, that's good. Good. Oh, good stuff.
Let's see.
That's a habanero margarita.
Let's see.
Por tortillas.
So I got my tacos here. Barbecue lamb,
Yeah.
pork belly, and fish. I had 2 orders because, you know, I live in Mexico, so I eat a lot of tacos. Maria has shrimp fajitas. Where are you, Maria?
Maria's filling up the tortilla.
Where are you, Maria? Has shrimp fajitas. Wonder Boy Jeremy has chicken fajitas.
Chicken
and he-
fajitas, yep.
Chicken fajitas, and he is digging down.
I'm digging too deep.
He is digging deep.
Too deep.
He is looking for it. And
Look at this, guys. Woo! The margaritas and the rice and the beans. Oh yeah, this is orgasm in my mouth. Ooh.
and a nice big glass of habanero margarita. And sugar-free traveler. What do you got?
Chicken and chorizo parillas. Yep.
Chicken chorizo parillas.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow your lead.
Good stuff. So we're gonna dig into this food. Welcome to Whistler. Good Mexican food. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned because it's not over yet.
I don't like rice. But if
I'll see you guys once it's empty. Once this plate is fully empty. Wow, guys, my golf camera.
How is everything tasting?
Delicious.
beautiful.
Good.
Beautiful.
Excellent.
Hey,
Really good.
I just found look tortillas under here.
Oh, this is the.
Holy shit!
Oh, I guess this is my tortillas.
It's your tortilla.
You guys found more tortillas.
Sorry, dude.
You guys stole 2 of my tortillas.
They found tortillas. All right. So here my taco.
Wow,
Don't you think the beans is good?
it is damn
Did you
good.
taste it?
Yeah.
This is my pork belly taco.
Again.
Let me try my pork belly taco.
Yeah, people are stealing my tortillas.
Wow.
Really good. Really, really good.
Really damn good.
Wow. Wow. This is good. Pork belly taco. In Whistler. Damn good. Excellent.
Could I order you the beans?
This is good.
and the guacamole,
This could compete with Mexico.
Yeah, good.
Do you want the shrimp of mine?
Except for the price, but otherwise this could
Have some
compete with
chicken.
No,
Mexico.
no. I have enough food
Super
here
duper good.
because I don't eat a lot.
No, no.
You
Take
can
one
have.
shrimp.
Take the shrimp.
No, no.
Take the shrimp.
One shrimp, that's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Giant shrimp.
That's a China shrimp, yeah.
I worked up my tacos already. I got lamb, pork belly, and I got fish. I've hit 2 already. I got these to go. And I need a little bit of habanero hot sauce. This stuff is really hot. But you know what? It's good. Hot is good. Then we got a little bit of this stuff here. Like a little pico de gallo, pour that on top. And they have this little broth here.
Not really.
No, I read it. You put more habanero on mine. She put more habanero. Where are you, Maria? Put more habanero pepper on mine.
Excuse me.
So it's gonna,
Could I get another fork, please? Mine fell. Thank you.
it's gonna burn the crap out of me. So let's see what happens. Can I hold this? Let me try it and see what happens. Oh, I got lime. Mexicans, they squeeze lime on, and there's no more heat. So let's see what happens. Here we go. Wow. It don't burn. That's good. That's a pork belly. Wow, that's good. This taco can actually compete with a real Mexican taco. Absolutely delicious.
You guys can see my face. It's damn good. It's bomb. This is spot on food.
Well, guys, our bellies are full, our drinks are empty, sugar-free travelers falling asleep. Wonder Boy Jeremy is full.
3 months pregnant.
He's 3 months pregnant. Where are you, Maria?
Me too.
Where are you, Maria? Maria is full. We had a good meal here at, what's the name of the restaurant? I forgot the name.
Mexican corner.
Mexican Corner, downtown Whistler Village. Recommended, really good. We love it. The food is good, except for one thing. You'll see it in the video that was not too good. The rest of the food is really good. And so, thanks for watching. Bye bye.